Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I'm going to do another of what I call a leftover resin painting. And I call it that because it's literally just my leftover resin from another project. And if I don't use it, it'll go to waste. And I still have plenty to do another painting here. So I like kind of doing this because A, it doesn't waste product, and B, I end up generally creating something I wouldn't have otherwise, because I don't worry about it. I don't go in there with any plan other than to use up the rest of the resin. So I'm gonna go ahead and heat this. This is Stone Coat Countertops Art Coat with the white base tint. Alright, and then I'm going to just help spread it around a little bit. Just make sure we get our canvas fully covered. I'm not too worried. I've got a decent amount of resin left here, so. Okay, good. Now I'm going to go in here with the black base tint. Lots of black, so who knows. See how this looks? Good. And then I've got some of the Crater Lake blue mica powder. All right, and then this is the Real Teal mica powder. And then you drop the cup in there, and that creates another unique design. That's what I was going for, I swear. It's a new technique. It's called cupping. Okay, and then lastly I have the gold dust. I love this stuff. There we go. That's all of our resin out. So I'm going to heat this again and then probably tilt it around a bit. But I'm at least going to heat it. There we go. That is pretty killer. All right. I'm going to get the edges here, and then we will do our close-up. All right. Starting in the lower right-hand corner, we got lots of awesome cells. Going to the upper right-hand corner. And these colors are just beautiful together. I really love these colors together. Upper left-hand corner, and then down to the bottom left-hand corner, and overall view. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this. Have fun playing with your resin. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.